guys, so I'm just gonna use this as a sample that somebody asked me. So if you're planning to ask, just get yourself a sewing machine. It's less than 200 bucks in Amazon or in Darty, in Boulanger if you're in France. But how to say, it's not that expensive, and it lasts you years. Mine I had for like 12 years. It's still working fine. This one though is like, I don't know, no, this one is quite new. It's like 2 years old. Anyway, so there's a hole, so you just need to see how it looks like originally. So that, you fix that, and then I would pin it in place so that when I sew it, it will be in place, and I don't have to worry, because there's like a thing here. It's up to you if you want to zigzag inside, like, you know, because there's an overlock stitch to hold them in place. So let's try to do that. And then, you know, it's annoying when girls or people post on Facebook and say, anyone knows a tailor that doesn't cost so much? I'm like, girl, if you're so cheap, do it yourself. Like, do it yourself. And I don't know why they're so scared to go to retoucherie. Like, almost every district in Paris has a retoucherie. It's like a small tailor, and they don't really charge that much. You know, I guess they're just afraid to speak French, or I don't know what. They can ask somebody. They don't really charge that much. It's fine. It's doable. And for the service that they're doing, like, your pants would last you longer, just go to a retoucherie, you know. It's not that big a deal. And they say, oh, I'd rather give the business to another immigrant. Oh, really? You know, like, we don't have time for this. And sometimes my people who know that I can sew, they will tell me, come on, I'll give you money. Who says I need your money? I have so many things I need to do. Like this one, okay, fine, I'll do it. It's not that complicated to do, but it's frustrating. Even me, like, okay, so see, this is what I meant. I just pinned it in place, and as I approach the needle, I will take it off, then sew. The stitch, up to you, but this is the crotch level. Nobody's really gonna look. But anyway, I'm nice. I'm still using a blue color. I think I showed you earlier. So a similar color to this. That's it. And then from the inside, see here, there's an overlock stitch here. But I'm not gonna do that anymore. Maybe I would stitch it double. Like, I will go past one time and then come back again. So just to make sure it's strong. And that's it. It wouldn't take you more than 5 minutes to do this. Hope this helps. Au revoir.